So guys, for the first step, you're gonna head over to search and type in settings. Click on it. And then once you're on this, on the left hand side, you're gonna click on system. Now we're gonna scroll down till we find multitasking. We're gonna scroll down and then click on multitasking. And then once you're on this, it's gonna be saying snap windows. Make sure that you have snap windows turned on. And we can also click on the drop down. Make sure that you have all of this turned on as well. You're gonna tick all of this and turn on snap windows. And now for the second step, make sure that you have both the programs open that you want to split screen. Now you want to go to one of the programs and then you want to hover over the maximize button and then this should appear right here. You can do split screen, 2 screens right here, 3 screens and 4 screens. You may also have more options that will come up. Now if you want to do split screen, you want to click right here on the split screen option. So you can go either left or right. And now all the other applications that you have open is going to appear right here. You're going to select your application and it's now going to be split screen. That's how you do it.